It is day 108. My voice sounds very bad this morning. I mean, I feel fine, but my voice sounds like I have a cold. Anyway, let's get started. I haven't been following my program this week, so I'll be fixing that for next week. I don't have my Hobonichi weeks out here, so I'm just going to do the basics, overhead press, squat, rows, and then triceps, biceps, triceps, and calf raises. So life's been going good. Busy, but good. I hope you all are doing good too. I have an exercise class tonight. I'm gonna stretch my arms a little bit because doing the lat raises, feel it in my shoulders. I'm gonna do the lat raises with 5 pounds. I know I'm going out of order, but I just want to see how it feels. I'm feeling something right here. So, I think I'm gonna stop for now. Do my exercise class tonight, see how I feel. But, yeah, something right here, and I don't wanna risk it. Because I need my arms for work. But I bet you all want to see the dogs. Or maybe you don't. But you're going to see the dogs soon anyway. Look at Katame being so lazy. And there's Hershey. Let's let Kong out. See, I always remember you, Kong. Everybody's coming now. We'll go outside. Look at that. Look at that stubborn fat boy just sitting there. We go outside and then we get medicine and treats. Come on, you know the drill. Come on. Oh, look. This one hears the word treats and she comes too. Come on, everybody. We're not going in the kitchen. We're going outside. That's the wrong way, Hershey. Sometimes I have to use my foot to block Hershey. So, I gotta block him. I just put my foot up. I don't use any force. Come on, Hersh. Hi, Tippy. Are you hungry? Yeah. You want some food? I don't know what was spilled on this one, but I've got Hershey's medicines like divvied up in the pill covers already. Oh. Tippy's by my feet. She's like, you were talking about food. They had to work. All right, Miss Tippy. I'll get the food. All right. I hope everybody has a good day. I gotta get Tippy her food. And then I'll have to get the dogs taken care of and my coffee and go through emails and stuff like that. So, bye.